Hi, my name is Eric Bendros. I am an award-winning filmmaker, which includes Gold Telly award-winning Love Conquers. That's a short film that happened to premiere at the Silicon Beach Film Festival. I wasn't able to make it to that. Why am I mentioning all of this? Because my latest short film, Demonic Evil, has been officially selected by Silicon Beach Film Festival, and it is going to be premiered at the TCL Chinese Theater in Hollywood, California. So at this point, like many American families, my wife and I, we can't just up and go, especially me just having graduated from my master's degree in film. It's tough, but I feel like I have to be there. This is going to be the premiere, first time Demonic Evil is shown, and then to have it be at the TCL Chinese Theater in Hollywood is a dream come true. Our journey to Hollywood is for a number of reasons. There are going to be networking opportunities. There are going to be people there that can put into motion other films and ideas that I have. And if you know anything about my work, I am about positivity and tackling certain issues that bring us together, not drive us apart. So what do we need? We need your help. Any amount, small, large, whatever you want to donate to our travel expenses and just being at the festival, it is greatly appreciated. We have all sorts of perks for you. So the Silicon Beach Film Festival is going to run from the 6th of September to the 13th. And as you know, we're in August right now, so we're up against the clock. Please share this video, share the campaign. Thank you so much. Eric Bendros here. Bye-bye.